What's up, YouTube? Matthew here once again with another video for you all. And in today's video, we'll be discussing how to deal with the copyright issues when you are running your print-on-demand business. Now, before we go on, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Now, copyright issues are a huge deal when you're starting your print-on-demand business because you can easily, make a print-on-demand t-shirt like this, and people love Nike, people love Adidas, people love Under Armour, and they will sell out. But the issue with that is that you can, get flagged for that on your Facebook account, on your Shopify account, and any other platforms you're running that ad on. And this is a big deal in the print-on-demand arena because even simple things like Hello Kitty things, like putting a Hello Kitty on a t-shirt or putting a simple cartoon character on a t-shirt. A lot of these things, like even like slightly anime stuff, I've been seeing people put that on shirts when they're actually really like illegal to do, but people just ignore it, And so this is a very big issue in the print-on-demand business because a lot of times people get away with this. That's another big thing, that print-on-demand, a lot of people get away with copyright issues. They'll put a Nike check sign, Adidas 3 stripes on their t-shirt, on their pants, on their hat, and they can get away with it and sell tens and thousands of units of those products without getting caught. Or they just get caught after they made all their profit they needed for the year or something. They may do it in November. But the problem with that is that, number one, your Facebook account can get flagged and can get disabled. As you all saw in my video 2 days ago, I talked about how I got in trouble with some copyright issues that I wasn't 100% aware of. I still take full responsibility. I put the fault on myself. I have no complaints or excuses about that. And so, and Facebook is like your number one source to bring traffic to your store when you're running a Shopify business, honestly. Emails is another one, but Facebook, that's how you get new customers and just new leads. And, you don't want to mess up that relationship with Facebook and have to start from scratch and have to start with a new pixel and have to mature your pixel again. So the repercussion of taking that chance of running ads on copyrighted goods is your Facebook account. And then number two, Shopify. When Shopify notifies you too, they won't disable your account, but they'll tell you, hey, you had to take this product off of your website. You have to take it off of your collections or whatnot. And, that can raise a flag on your account, and you can have different strikes, different warnings until Shopify actually comes in and actually takes away your access to create another Shopify account. And you cannot have this happen because Shopify is the best platform for any entrepreneur who wants to run an e-commerce business. Now, there are other websites, softwares. There's Magento, there's BigCommerce, WooCommerce, and other sites like that, but Shopify is just the easiest to use and the simple, and it's the most popular. Now, how do you go about being able to navigate this arena of copyrighted goods or print on demand? Number one is, if they're a well-known brand and it's a brand, don't do it. Now, let's say you see something on AliExpress. Sometimes on AliExpress, you may not think it's copyrighted, but it actually is. And so what you have to do is, like, for example, if you find a t-shirt on AliExpress and you just want to use the design instead of drop shipping it, look up that t-shirt online. Because I found that a lot of times that when I would search for a t-shirt that was on AliExpress, I'll find it on another website, and a lot of products on AliExpress, even like dropshipping simple bracelets, those things are copyrighted. And that if you try to advertise it on Facebook, they will flag you for that. And so you really have to do the research, even for on dropshipping sites like AliExpress, because they're not all general products. They're not all level free branding type of products. And so really make sure you do that research. And then the next thing is just creating your own design. Finding a similar design, finding a like, let's say you want to do Hello Kitty, some kitty stuff. You can look at Hello Kitty and say, hey, to your graphic designer, make something cute, pink like this. And then, hey, they may just make something even better that can sell even better. But yeah, copyright issues is a very big deal in the print on demand business. People just don't understand how easy it is to do and how easy it is to get away with running ads on copyrighted goods, and how easy it is for you to get a design that is copyrighted without you knowing that it is a copyrighted image or good. And so just be careful in that arena when you're running Facebook ads or when you're trying to find new designs. All right, and as always, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Peace.